Here I've got OnePlus 7 Pro, and let me show you how to grab a screen, how to take a screenshot on the following device. So at first, let's open the display that we would like to capture. For example, if you would like to show someone that you have no photos in your gallery, just tap on power key and volume down key and hold them all together for a while, just like that. And as you can see, here is your screenshot. You can open it just by tapping. You can change the size of it, you can edit it, then you can delete it or share it with your friends. Then we've got the second method, so let's open some different display, maybe the settings. If you would like to show someone which settings are allowed in OnePlus, tap on power key and hold it for a while, and then click on screenshot. And now, as you can see, the screenshot has been made. If you would like to capture the whole list of the settings, just tap one more time on the power key, click on screenshot, and then tap on expanded screenshot. So let me scroll a bit more. So as you can see now, we have more options included in the screenshot. So that's it. There is also the third method, but you have to firstly allow it to be active. So at first, open list of all applications, go to the settings. Now find and select the buttons and gestures and click on quick gestures. And here, by tapping on the three fingers screenshot, you can activate the third method. So let me open, for example, the calendar. Okay, I got it. And if you would like to show someone your plans for June, simply slide down with three fingers of yours, and as you can see, the screenshot has been made. So now you can find all the screenshots in the gallery. So just open the list of all apps, then find and select the gallery, collections, and here if you go to the screenshots album, you will be able to notice all the screens that you have made. So that's it. This is how you can capture the screen in your OnePlus 7 Pro. You can do it whenever you want to. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.